Hello everyone, today's video is going to be amazing and equally exciting. Today I will show you all about pony beads and the things we can make from it. So let's get started. These are pony beads. It's available in market in many various colors, very bright and vibrant colors. These are basically made of very good quality plastic. So we melt the plastic in a way that they stick together and make a shape or a form which we have selected. This whole lot of pony beads are available in any stationery shop. For making this we also need a parchment sheet or a butter paper which will help us to melt the pony beads through iron. The most exciting part of the video is my daughter is going to show some of her creativity. So let's ask her. So what have you planned to make today?
So I have planned to make a strawberry and let's see how it turns out.
Which colors are you going to use for the strawberry?
I am going to use a bright red color and I'm going to use two shades of green. One of them is a light green and the other one is a dark green color.
Are you able to find your shades in the beads?
Not so easily, I'm finding my beads.
Yeah, the shape is coming quite nice. Do you like strawberries?
Yes, I love them. I love them because of the red color.
That's nice. Oh, that's looking so cute. Do you think we should make a bigger strawberry?
Yeah, this is really too small.
Yeah, I too feel. Let's add some more red shades to them.
Yes.
Let me know if you need some red color.
Yes, I do need some red color. Oh wow, I'm really happy with this shape. So now, my mama is going to help me to melt these pony beads as this is not a child's play.
So here I am melting the beads. I'll place one more parchment sheet on the beads and put a heating iron on it. We just have to press, let the beads melt and lift the iron. We don't have to shake the iron and spread them. This way the beads will spread, they'll become flat. We don't have to make it flat. We have to regain its shape. We are just melting the beads so that it sticks together. We'll heat the beads from both the sides. We can see the melted beads from the parchment sheet, and after it's done, it's very hot. We have to be very careful. Whenever a child is doing, I request the adult to be there. The plastic is very hot right now. I cannot touch it. It will be sticking to one side of the paper, which is okay. We can remove it gently, starting from one side. I would like to remind everyone that plastic is going to be very hot. You may burn your fingers. Gradually and slowly from all sides, I'll try to remove the beads, and this is what it looks like.
And now I am ready with another fruit. This is a pineapple. I have used two shades of yellow. One of them is light and the other one is dark yellow.
Again, we are doing the same process of melting the beads. While keeping the paper, many times it happens the shape gets lost, the beads move here and there. So you can adjust and make whatever shape you want. In the same process, I'm melting the beads so that they stick together. Heating the beads from both the sides will give a proper shape. We can see the beads through the parchment sheet and adjust our heat from the sides. We just have to keep the heating iron on the beads and not move it. This is a tip I'm sharing. If we move the iron, the heating iron, the beads will become flat and lose their shape. So we are just keeping the heating iron on it and melting the beads. From both the sides I am done. Now I'll remove the parchment sheet. This is the beautiful pineapple my daughter has made it. You can see the texture, the beads are hollow, which actually gives the texture which is on the fruit. It's very hot. The pineapple has come out so cute. We can also make flowers from these pony beads as the colors are very vibrant and beautiful. I'll make flowers with the same process I've made as pineapple and strawberries. These melted pony beads can be used as keychains. We can use to decorate the clips, hairbands, or even we can make a wall hanging. In the same process I'm melting the beads. I've used pink and yellow for one flower, and the other is purple and yellow. I'll heat the beads from both the sides and keep on checking that it doesn't melt and become flat. So these flowers are almost done. I'll take out the parchment sheet and check, and I'll show you how beautiful it comes out. As these beads are hollow, we have the proper shape of flower. You can see the purple flower and the pink one also. I'll use these flowers to stick on a clip or maybe a hairband. Now my son has joined with us to make some fruits from pony beads. He loves oranges, so he's trying to make an orange. We are using some shades of greens and orange color beads. So once we are satisfied with the shape, we can start melting the beads. So now I'm going to melt the beads in the same process using a parchment sheet, heating it from both the sides. My son wants to make a keychain out of this orange, and he's quite excited about what will come out, how it will look. So heating it from both the sides helps the beads to melt in proper shape. And this is how it will look. It's very hot right now. I'm taking out the sheet, and you can see how the orange has come out. I really love the hollow beads because it gives us that texture which is very beautiful. It's very amazing. You can see